Hi everyone, my name is Jos Overschie and in this video I will tell you more about suction lift. In this video the subjects are definition, determine value, maximum lift and why important. I will start with the definition. If we are talking about a suction lift application, the medium level in the suction tank, you see the suction tank here, is below the eye of this centrifugal pump, the eye of the impeller. Then we talk about a suction lift application. But how do we determine the value of the suction lift? There are different possibilities. The first one is making a sketch. Here you see a sketch with a suction tank, your suction line, your pump and your discharge tank. And to determine the suction lift, you take the height of the eye of the impeller and be aware, take the lowest medium level possible in your suction tank. And the difference between those two levels, that height, that is the value you have to take for your suction lift. The other possibility is that you can find it in a technical drawing. In this case you see the medium level here and the pump is here. This is not a technical drawing of a suction lift application. This is a technical drawing for a suction head application. Now what about the maximum suction lift? If we are talking about a pump, a centrifugal pump, and it's pumping clean water at room temperature, the maximum suction lift will be 4 to 5 meters or 13 to 16.5 feet. But it all depends on your NPSH calculation. And in this case we are talking about clean water at room temperature. But if we are talking about olive oil, your suction lift will be much lower. I already told you something about the suction lift, but why is it important to know the value of your suction lift? I will tell you. In this case we have a pump here, a suction line and a medium level, and to determine the suction lift you can measure the distance from the eye of the impeller and the medium level, and then you have a precise value. And you need that precise value of the suction lift in your NPSH calculation to avoid damaging cavitation. So work with precise data and not with rough estimate data. I already told you that you need that suction lift element for your NPSH calculation. And maybe you are a little bit curious how to use that suction lift element in your NPSH calculation. So you want to learn more. So I have good news for you. We have a great e-learning about NPSH calculation for water. And in that course we have the NPSH calculation with the 4 elements, but also with the 9 elements and a lot of exercises. And I'm sure if you followed this course you know a lot more about NPSH calculation. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or 2, also possible, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!